show smells something. Today, we're going to be taking a look into a fragrance called Viking Dubai by Baharara. Coming up next on Smell Something. 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 What's going on, fellas, young ladies, young gentlemen, young men, young women, little girls that like to smell good, little boys that like to smell good? I'm your host of today's show, today and every day. My name is Bazz. I want to send a special shout out to the most favoritist person in the world to me. I hope that you get better, and I love you so much. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I can't say that we're going to do this every day on my show, but right now, I just came home, and this was in the mail. They've been talking about this. I trust King Tafa. I trust Baharara because I have their fragrance and I watch them and I follow them, and I like to smell good. Right now I want to smell something. So I started ripping it off, and I said, you know what? I got to record a video today. Why not just rip it off now? Got it on there pretty tight. Ugh, I'm pretty strong though. So it opens like this. I've been hearing about this spinning thing. We're gonna do this one time on video. We ain't gonna keep talking about the spinning shit. Well, look. All right, I never had this. You seen me open it, right? Right? I ain't never spit it. I told you we ain't gonna keep spinning this thing. We not. We're gonna talk about it. All right, let's take it out the box. Oh, they gave me a travel size filler right here, so I can fill that up. I like to travel. I can fill that up and smell just like this. And it didn't even fall out the box while I've been holding it. I thought it probably would have fell out, but it's in there very securely. It looks like a Viking right now. You see the horns on there? Put that box down. And that's a lovely box too. Baharara. 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 It's a nice box, man. I like it. And this really looks like a Viking, and this says Viking. I like it. So, let me get something to spray this on with. I got it. And then you guys can take a little second, just only a second though, and tell me what is your scent of the day. Because I told you when you watch my show, look over my shoulder, you'll always see the scent of the day. That's that shit. It's that Givenchy Gentleman. Wore that out today. I happened to be in the hospital. All the women and the men, and I ain't into none of that. It's like, hey, he was leaning in on the elevator in the hallway. It's like, dude, what are you wearing? I told him, I can't tell you that. It's a secret. I don't want you smelling like me. That'll have your woman on me, thinking about me. I was like, I can't tell you that, brother. Oh, come on, he told me. I was like, nope. All right, this is my floor, and I got off. And that wasn't the only place I was at, and I was told I smelled good. I was at Walmart, and it was like, something smells like something, isn't it? It smells like bubble gum. It says it smells like this. Well, we'll talk about that flavor. We'll talk about that fragrance later, okay? Right now, I'm gonna get this video over with because I'm not feeling too well today. I'm sad, man. My favorite person in the world is not feeling well, and she in the hospital, and I don't like it. And so if I look sad to you, this is how I look when I look sad. Don't fuck with me when I look like this. I'll fuck you up. So I don't play on this channel, man. I say what I want to say. I'm a grown-ass man. Let's get to the fragrance. You see me unbox it. It looks like a Viking. It's spinning like, oh, I said I wasn't going to do that. So we back to that. Look, I went and got this. I'm supposed to spray it. We finna do an atomizer check. Took the Viking helmet off. Look. Oh, I'm saying fuck you with a Viking helmet on. Can't do that. And thanks for the atomizer, little refillable Baharara. I didn't get this shit free. I paid for all of that stuff you see back there. That shit came out of my wallet, man. My wife gonna kill me I bought one more bottle. She not here right now. Like I said, she didn't see this bottle come through. When she find out this came through, that's probably why she's sick now. Shit, she see this, I got another bottle, she's gonna be sick, even more sick. So let's do an atomizer check. When you buy your fragrances, got you guys out there, I want you to take it out of the box, make sure it's in the box, make sure it's in the plastic, make sure it has the correct stickers, the batch code, serial numbers, and all that stuff on the back of the boxes and stuff like that. Make sure that you got the real thing. Take pictures of the real thing in this, the box and the bottles and the batch codes. Look at the year, all of that stuff. After you buy your stuff, smell this. See this? Smell that. If you smell something on there, either this been bumping through travel and delivery to your house, or somebody else had this and they went to a party off your shit. So make sure you spray, and they sent it back to the company, and now you are the proud owner of some shit. Somebody probably been, like Cuba knows say, they probably been ball spraying your shit, dog. So look, make sure you smell these atomizers. Nobody ain't been ball spraying this. It's that real. It's that real shit. Here we go. Let's spray this mug. Let's see. If it, this how you'll know. Okay, I don't smell nothing, right? Good. Nobody been doing no ball sprays with it. No neck spray, nothing with it, right? And you sent it back to the company at all. Now, so when I hit this atomizer the first time, I want to put, you first buy your bottles, if you guys don't know, turn it, that trigger right there in the front of the face of the bottle. So it comes out like that every time you spray. You can pick it up at any time. It's right there, okay? If you don't smell nothing, that's good. Now, when I spray it for the first time, I'm gonna press it down on the camera. If nothing comes out, nobody really ain't been using this. Watch. Let's do it one time. 1, 2, 3. Nothing came out. I'm a smart motherfucker. That's why you should follow this channel. Like and subscribe and tell your friends, every motherfucker about me right now. I just proved it. I just proved it, motherfucker. I just proved it. Look. No, I'm just playing. Don't let me take it there. But look, one time I sprayed, that means no one used it. I'm gonna spray it a second time. Second or third time, it normally sprays if no one used it. Third time, you want to do that because you want to get that alcohol that's off the top of here out of there and sit this down. Don't wear it for 2 weeks. Let it sit back and let it do like a fine wine. Let it marinate a little bit. Next time you wear it, it's going to be vicious. So here we go. Let's do this. I sprayed it once. Here go the second time. I didn't do a secret one off camera, no shit like that or nothing. But, so one, and here go the second spray. Nothing. This motherfucker better work. Now, on the second spray, you better start getting worried about like, damn, this motherfucker ain't spraying. We finna go on the third time. I don't play that shit. I got the box, and it came today. Like I said, y'all my proof. Y'all gonna stand up for me? Y'all watching on camera, you gonna stand up for me? If you don't want to stand up for me, just like and subscribe and hit that bell. So every time I be talking this shit like this, you get a notification so you can sit back and drink your beer, smoke your blunt, and like, dog, I buy fragrances too, and I got that bottle, and my shit didn't do that, or my shit did. But again, let's try it. I got time today, you guys. So let's try it again, okay? I don't like this shit neither because I'm getting scared. I haven't tried it, I haven't smelled it, I want to smell it. My guy, King Tafa, that's why I bought this, because of you, brother. You said this smelled good. You was on your second or third bottle of it, and he know everything. He got an encyclopedia that he's coming out with. I don't know him, so I don't think I'm giving him no sponsorship. I will give him sponsorship, but he has an encyclopedia that's coming out that tell you all the top, middle, bottom notes, and what other fragrances trying to copy, and what the real fragrance notes are in this book. I want that book. Heard me? I'll send you my address. You can send it to me, and I'll send you the money. Let's do it. But this is the third spray. I'm gonna quit fucking around because I know y'all busy. And I said I had time today. Y'all might not. So if you don't, I hope you fast forward right quick. If you did fast forward, here go the third spray. Let's work. Well, I'm sending it back. Oh, I'm really smart as I said I was. I said, no, rewind it now. I said fast forward it for that, but now rewind it. I said on the third spray, if it don't spray, I might get worried and think that somebody else had this. But normally and generally, on the third spray, it works if this fragrance never been sprayed before. And there you have it, guys. King Dubai by Baharara, sprayed on the third time. It puts me in the mind of vibrato or tiger. Okay? This smell, I think if you wear this in the summertime, it will smell very invigorating to the person standing next to you. I smell notes of ginger, tonka. It's sweet. It's not like balsamic or sour or nothing like that. It's a very manly fragrance, so it's not like for a woman or nothing like that. I smell that bergamot in there. And most good fragrances, you guys, they are made with bergamot. And bergamot, to me, if you black and you watching this video, you know your little sister and your mama and that hair braiding and that hair pressing and sit right here, and I'm finna part your shit. And each part, if you guys out there don't know about black people and the bergamot, we use bergamot all the time. So I know this smell when I smell it. And I also smell lemon. But in the back of that, in high school, I had a cashmere jacket. I smell that on this motherfucker. And this fragrance can be worn all seasons, winter, summer, spring, and fall. You can wear it at night, in the morning. I keep smelling it like this because I never smelled it before. And now that we sprayed it, and you know the top notes, the middle notes, and the bottom notes, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna enjoy this fragrance. I'm gonna let it dry down, and I'm gonna, to myself, really know what it smells like. And so if you want to find out what this actually smells like, you have to buy that fragrance. Get it wherever you can get it. I'm gonna get it. I can't say I'm gonna buy a second bottle because I have all of these to try, and I'm gonna buy more. I'm a collector, and I love this, and I'm in trouble for my wife. Y'all motherfuckers remember that. I told y'all if something happened to me, my wife did it because I've been buying too much cologne, dog. With that said, man, I'm happy that you guys came by. I wasn't feeling good, but I feel a little bit better, man. Just talking with you guys, knowing that you watched this video and you came by. I'm very sad, man, and I'm not a soft dude or nothing like that at all. But my significant other is hurt right now. When she hurt, I hurt, man. And I don't like that, man. So I'm going to go, man, because I'm going to go handle being me. I'm going to smell something. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell somebody about me because I'm cold in the motherfucker. I love to smell good. Hit that bell so you know. Every time I come on here and talk about shit, you can hear me talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna give you the good colognes, the bad colognes, the clones, the freshies, the winter fragrances, the date night fragrances. I'm gonna give them all to you, brother. I just started doing this, and I like doing this because as a little kid, I always liked to smell good. And like about 3 years ago, I started watching Neve, Bowtie Fragrance Guy, TLGT Fragrance, a lot of other people that look at my first video. I talk about those guys. They are very, very big influences on me, and it started my collection. I started out with one bottle, dog. Look at all this behind me. You can't even see it all. And I got a cabinet right there that's full of stuff that I'm going to show you as well. Thank you for watching. I love you. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart because you watched it and you didn't have to. You could have been anywhere, but you stay here and you talk and you spend some time with your boy. That's all I need. And I really need you tonight because I don't feel good, man. And I thank you and I love you, man. I'll see y'all next time. I'm getting ready to go have me a drink. And I mean that. It's sitting nearby. Here you go. That's to you guys. And this is for my wife. Get better, baby. You're going to see this video when you're well, and you're going to be strong as hell. And you be like, you made a video about me? I'm like, no, I'm sweet as fuck. I'm out. Peace. Smell something.